Bro, who died over?
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Animal Company.
Oh my god.
Yes, it's like
Oh my god, is that my best friend's butt?
We're gonna be playing this. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Ah! What the? Bro. Yo, what just happened?
You guys, come here, follow me. Today I'm gonna go be killing myself. Guys,
Wait, do I got
I'm
enough?
gonna kill myself.
Nice.
Guys, hurry. I want you to see me kill myself.
No, wait.
Guys, come on now. Come on, do you want me to die?
No! I got all my stuff, guys. Come on, I got all my stuff.
For this video, I'm gonna be
Bro, I got you. Guys, can we go where the big bird is? Guys, can we go where the big bird is? Can we go where the big bird is?
Guys, follow blue, follow dark blue.
Okay, I will follow dark blue. Come on. Come on, guys, let's go.
Wait.
What y'all going? Guys, where do we go to? Where should we go?
Guys, follow me.
Guys, follow dark. Follow dark.
Door.
No, that's mine.
Where'd you guys go? Guys, where'd you guys go? I'm going to my green light. Birdface, you killed me.
Come on, guys.
You killed me. You killed me. Dang.
Guys, come on, bro.
You did. We was running.
Literally, someone of mine is so funny.
Someone's bag is there.
Guys. Guys, go to the red and green light. Go to the red and green light, guys.
Oh, not that one.
Let's go to the
Yup.
green light.
Is that one? Wait, up here? Wait, is everyone here?
Somebody else is coming. Wait, do we go up?
Yeah,
Wait.
go up.
Alright, I'm going up. Oh my god.
Don't move. I'm moving. Don't move when it's red.
Can y'all hear me? Guys, I'm gonna move.
Guys, I almost just died.
Guys,
Watch this, guys.
hey,
Yo.
hey, yo.
I died.
Guys, I'm recording, by the way.
Hey, yo.
Y'all are in the video because I'm recording. Guys, wanna go to the bird? Wanna go to the bird? Wanna go to the bird?
Oh my god. Guys, everybody go to the bird.
Go to the bird.
The bird is down there. The bird is down there.
Okay. Go to the bird. I repeat, go to the bird.
Where the bird is? Guys, I'm at the bird.
I'll go to the bird.
What do you get the egg? I'm at bird.
Don't fall. Wait, is everyone here?
Where the bird is? I'm here. Where's the bird at? We're at the bird. Can I help him? I don't know where the bird is. Here, behind you.
Bro, I'm playing Leave the Animal Company.
Why did Beckham? Here, I'm at the bird by myself. I'm coming. Wait! He's already out!
Can y'all hear me? Guys, can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? I repeat.
anywhere.
I'm coming to the bird, but I did lost my backpack. I lost my backpack. I lost my backpack. So and my flashlight because I died and accidentally fell.
Okay, do it. Go shine it in his... Go. Just go.
Bro, who has
Eight. Who has 8? Go put the...
Megan?
Go put the egg back.
I need a flashlight.
Me. He just... How much money?
Bro, Purple DT.
Guys, I need a flashlight. Don't die, Gamer Go! Gamer Go!
Guys, there's a
So, Gamer Goat is in trouble. He's in trouble. Gamer Goat!
No, guys.
Do you see me? I need to help him. But I need my flashlight.
Call them here. Help, guys. Amber. Help. Run, Jacob. Run.
I'm over here. I got you.
Jacob, help.
I can't. Come on. I repeat, I need backup. I need backup. I repeat. I need backup right now.
I don't know where the chicken wing is.
I repeat, go to the bird. I repeat, go to the bird.
Bro, where's the bird?
I'm coming. Go to the bird. I repeat. Gamer Goat stuck. I'm coming to spawn. Guys, I'm coming to spawn.
Call them here. Where's the chicken?
Come on.
Where's the chicken? Please help.
Come on.
Chicken is my middle name.
Birdie face.
Where are you? We're coming.
Chickens. Chickens.
All of us are coming. Come on. Come on. We need to help Gamer Goat. Don't fall.
I'm flash right now.
GG China, I'm over here. Come on.
Shut up.
I'm at the ball.
Come up here.
Everybody get here.
Wait,
Now you're stuck here.
you can't. I'm stuck now. It's all your fault.
Oh,
Gamer Goat!
where are you guys?
I'm right here.
Behind you, birdie face.
Guys, help. Perfect, I'm down here.
Birdie face, look in.
I'm coming. Hold up.
Where are you at?
Bye.
Come to the bird. Come. I'm. Oh. Just come, please. No. No, guys.
I'm coming, guys! I'm coming! I'm helping Gamer Goat. I'm coming to help him. Gamer Goat just died. I'm sorry. I guess Gamer Goat has to die. Gamer Goat! Where is he? I think he died. He might. Oh, yeah, help me.
Help me up. Guys, we can't. Help. Sigma. We have to drill. Sigma. Sigma.
I'm coming! I repeat, I'm coming to y'all!
Sigma.
Where are y'all? Where y'all?
Sigma!
Where are y'all?
Help us!
I see you! I repeat!
I got you, bro. I got you.
Come on, guys! I see y'all! I got a backpack! I got a backpack! No! No! My stuff! I need to go back and get my stuff back.
I repeat, guys. He's after me.
I'm coming. Guys, I repeat. We need to go to a new monster. Another one, not the bird. The bird is too evil.
This, guys, we're
Guys, we need to go to another monster.
punch him
No!
in the face! Go to red and green.
I need to get backpacks and stuff.
What the freak? Why is somebody pushing? Don't get this one. These are my flashlights, guys. Stop taking my flashlight. Can I have my flashlight?
Can I have
No,
one?
can I have one for this? He's pooping them out. Here, take one. Here. Alright, guys.
Go to the bird. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Red and green.
Right, we're
Tell
going
me
to
if
red.
you guys need some flash. Guys, tell me if you need flashlights. I got 3
Flashlights! Tell me if you need some flashlights. I got like 5. 3. I have 5 flashlights. Tell me if you need one. Go to. I have 5 flashlights. Tell me if you need one. If you don't need one,
I'm coming.
you get.
I'm going.
Whoa, because you're not coming.
Where are y'all? I repeat, where are y'all?
I'm red and green.
I'm coming. Guys, let's go to another monster. Go to the red and green light. I repeat.
Go, you're gay. Where are you?
Where is everyone? Where are y'all? Where are y'all? Oh, I see somebody.
I survived. We're at red and green
I'm
light.
here.
Red and green light. What did you see? What did you see? What did you see?
He just died. No, his body, look.
I repeat, flashlight man
No!
down!
I
Flashlight.
need a flashlight.
Well, I only got one, so it's mine. I repeat, flash. Oh my god! Where are you?
Flashlight there.
Dead.
Oh,
I found all your flashlights.
I'm here. I will activate the monsters. Guys, let's go somewhere else than the red. Guys, let's not go to the red and green light and the bird. I want to meet a new monster.
go to red and green.
Wait, and stay here.
This is just like a little.
Follow me, okay? Follow me, guys. Follow me, follow me. Come on, just follow me. Guys, follow me, come on.
I'm coming.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come on! You
Come. Sigma. Get that one. It's a monster in there. I think the Sigma man's coming.
No.
Give me the plunger. Give me the plunger. Oh, come on there.
Okay, fine. Here's the plunger.
Sigma Man's running. Run, Sigma Man. Sigma Man. Sigma. Oh. Guys, help me, guys.
Sigma.
Oh, he bit me. Guys, he bit me. Run. Sigma.
Come on.
You dropped this stuff. You're dropping stuff.
Me?
You dropped your bag.
I didn't. Wait, I did?
Yes, you.
Where is it?
You dropped a lot of stuff. That's your bag right here.
Here it is.
I have no help, guys. I have no help. If we die together. Guys, come on. Guys, come on. Help me out.
I need a flashlight.
If we die.
Give me this. I don't got anything. I had nothing.
I'm going to the chicken lady.
Purple GT, are you alright?
R.I.P. freaking
Come on.
R.I.P. He can't see us. Come here, bro. Look. R.I.P. Sigma.
Come on.
What's the six?
Purple GT, are you alright?
No! I died! That's it for the video. See ya.